Hi, nice to see you again in Uwe's Repair and Remake Garage. Today I will show you in a few minutes how you can sew on a button by hand.
You need a sewing needle, sewing thread. I use Cycle by Mettler and recycle yarn made from used beverage bottles on recycled bobbin, a second needle or a pick, and for sheer fabrics a small piece of similar fabric and textile adhesive to fortify the face fabric. Affix the small piece to the fabric's back where the button will be located. Cut about 20 inches of the yarn, thread the needle and double the yarn. Place both thread ends on the needle showing to the eye. Wind the thread 3 or 4 times around the needle, hold the winding between your fingers and pull needle and thread through the winding. You get a perfect knot. Start sewing on the fabric's right side to prevent rubbing of the knot. Fix the button with 1 stitch. For the shank of the button, slide needle or pin between yarn and button and stitch down the button with 4 to 6 stitches. Stick the needle between fabric and button, cut the yarn and remove the sewing needle. Remove the shank needle and wind 1/2 of the thread several times around the shank between button and fabric. Knot both ends of the yarn together, cut the ends, finished and tight.